Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you 2 easy ways how you can crop a video in Adobe Premiere Pro. So without wasting more time, let's go straight to my laptop. Inside Premiere Pro I have already loaded this video, and the first thing I will do is go to Effects and type down crop. Then I'm going to grab the crop effects and apply it to the video layer. And from there I'm going to go to the Effect Control panel on the left top hand side on the screen. Scroll down to crops, and as you can see inside we've got left, top, right and bottom. So from here we can increase the value of the left option, and as you can see we are cropping the video from the left hand side. Then we're going to do the same with the top. We're going to increase the value, and as you can see we can do the same with the right and with the bottom. Okay, so this is one of the ways to crop your video. It's super easy and everyone can do it. Also, you can create any animation with this crop effect. Let's say that you want to start the video with a full screen and then crop from top and bottom, so you can have this cinematic 4K look. So let's do that. I'm just gonna go back to 0 from left, top and right and bottom, and from here I'm gonna go to top. Take the cursor to the beginning of the video and go back to top and create our first keyframe. Then I'm going to go to bottom, create another keyframe. Then I'm going to move the cursor to the 3rd second and create another keyframe by just increasing the volume from the top to somewhere over there to 15%, and do the same with the bottom. 15. Okay, so let's see if we created this animation. And there we go guys, you can create a cinematic animation as well with this crop effect. It's super easy. So that's the first way you can use to crop your videos in Premiere Pro. The second way is by going back to Effect Control panel. Let me just delete the crop effect. And when you go to the Effect Control panel, we're going to go down to opacity. From there, you can see that we've got Elvis mask and polygon mask and also a free draw bezier. In this case, I'm going to use the free draw bezier, and I'm going to click on it. Then I'm going to go to fit and go down to 50%. Then I'm going to create this rectangle mask just out of the screen like that, kind of rectangle. And as you can see straight away, we crop more than half of the video. The cool way about using the mask effect is that you've got more accuracy and more options when it comes to crop your video. So for example, if you want to drag this angle to over here and have that kind of like curve crop in the video, you can do it. Otherwise, if you're using the crop effect, you don't have the freedom to do this. So if you're going to do more specific or more detailed cropping for your videos, then definitely go and use the mask effect cropping. Also, if you want the other part of the video to be visible, you can go back to the Effect Control panel, and from there you can click on inverted. And as you can see straight away, now we've got the right part of the video visible and the left hand side cropped. Also, you can animate this cropping as well by going again to the Effect Control panel, go to the mask part, and from there, let's say that I want to create a keyframe at the beginning of the video. I'm gonna click on the stopwatch, and now we have created this keyframe. Then I'm gonna move the cursor somewhere at the middle, and I'm gonna click on the mask, and then I'm gonna move the mask further to the left, or just like customize it a little bit like that, and create my second keyframe here. So let's play it, and you can see that slowly we've got this animation, which is pretty cool. So that's it guys, that's the 2 ways that you can use to crop your videos in Adobe Premiere Pro. It's super easy and simple. Personally, I use the crop effects to crop my videos because it's quick and easier. But as I said, if you want to make more detailed or more accurate cropping, then definitely go for the mask effect way. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did so, please hit that like button and subscribe my channel for more videos like this one. Also, if you'd like to see more tutorials about Premiere Pro, you can check the videos at the end of this one. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a great day or night, and I'll see you next time.